Wondering if installing a solar battery would be advantageous for your home? Stick around to learn more. A solar battery allows you to take full advantage of the benefits of solar energy. Because solar panels typically generate more energy than a home can use, a battery allows you to store this excess energy and use later or receive net metering credit. The stored energy in a solar battery allows you to have a reliable energy source no matter the time of day or weather conditions. This energy can be used at night or during less sunny weather conditions when solar energy is not being generated. What's more, it allows you to take full advantage of net metering for on-grid systems. For every kilowatt hour of solar energy you send back to the grid, you get 1 credit. These credits are then used when you need to draw power from the grid instead of your solar panels. Learn about the possibilities with solar for your home when you call West Coast Solar for a free quote. Visit our website and schedule today.